Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to make 1-inch margin on every side of the document in Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to set 1-inch margin on each side of the Microsoft Office Word web? Actually it's simple. Just go to the page layout here, and here you can see an option called margins on the top left, and just click on the drop menu. Actually this is the preset that actually given, so you can see the changes while you applying here. And how to make a 1-inch margin on each side? Go to the custom margin option here and fix the margin to 1 inch. You can also type like this and change the every margin size to 1. And you can also adjust the margin by clicking on this arrow by inches, and also you can just type whatever that you want. And now click OK. Now you can see the changes. The every side of the page on the right, left, top and bottom, every side the margin has been set to 1 inch. By this, using this option, you can make a custom margin or make a 1-inch margin on each side to make your document professional and look wise. So I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below if you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web. You just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.